Whether you need to design a new packaging line or make the one you have more efficient, packaging systems automation can save you time and money. PSA designs and builds high-quality custom packaging machinery and packaging systems from this plant in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We're product handling experts who can identify and find solutions to your most complex packaging problems. We have the engineering and plant operation expertise to provide complete plant layout and system design, conveying and product handling systems, and turnkey system layout and installation. We'll select the machinery to best handle your product. If a one-of-a-kind machine is needed, we'll design and build it. We'll assemble the line in our plant and fully test it so you can be sure it will work right when it reaches your facility. Here's a look at some of our work. Proprietary agreements require us to demonstrate only conveying and other product handling equipment. This roller conveyor links a form fill seal machine to a metering reject conveyor. The full height guide railing along the conveyor prevents product from jamming. By running faster than the packager's output, the conveyor creates space for hand-loading reworked product. A PSA metering reject conveyor is integrated into the cartoner's infeed. The motor drive, electrical controls, and pneumatics are factory installed. The product metering conveyor supplies packages to the faster-running cartoner infeed belt. If the cartoner stops, the air-actuated nose conveyor automatically retracts and product drops to the bin below. Product is automatically fed to the cartoner upon restart. Next, cartoned product is check-weighed and passes through the carton reject station. A PSA mesh belt-powered transfer system links the reject station belt to the conveyor. The system smooths transfer and minimizes the potential for jams at the transfer point. Two packaging lines are feeding the downstream combiner. Notice the compound bends in the guide rails. Rails are continuous strips that are never spliced at curves or transition points, again eliminating the potential for jams. These conveyors were pre-assembled and pre-wired at our plant. Conduit was pre-plumbed and couplings installed at joints. These features minimized installation time and eliminated unexpected installation problems. Conveyor segments have a junction box where electrical and pneumatic terminations are made. A surge control device controls surge pressure. Strategically mounted photo eyes activate the surge control, stopping cartons before they reach the curve, eliminating another potential jam location. A combining system merges the output of both packaging lines with the infeed of the case packer. Surge control devices minimize back pressure on cartons as they reach a pair of cross pushers. The pushers integrate the outputs of two lines into one. After discharge from the case packer, cases are uprighted and transferred to a roller conveyor, which feeds the palletizer. This line is from the discharge of a tray former. A gating device directs trays on demand to conveyors supplying the infeed of two tray loaders. A cross pusher transfers trays to the outside lane. The lower level of a two-tier conveyor feeds trays to the tray loaders. The upper tier transports fill trays from the tray loaders to an overwrapper. The upper tier is fed by a rough-top inclined belt, which elevates the filled tray after it's discharged from the tray loader. A cross-pusher reorients trays for overwrapping. A miniature control panel for the conveyor is integrated into the electrical termination box. Here's an application where a differential in speed between two conveyors shingles product, preparing it for hand loading. It's part of a portable conveying system with built-in casters. System integration and combining product flow is the key to making this system work. Electrical controls and logic are more complex. Again, surge control devices are used to hold back product as cross pushers combine two lanes of product into one. A powered end stop integrated into the pushing system relaxes pressure on cartons for trouble-free transfer. The system is handling open-ended cartons containing microwavable French fries. Guide rails are high to prevent product from spilling as it's pushed. In areas where surge pressure can't be avoided, top hold-down rails are strategically located to prevent cartons from bulging. Another cross-pusher changes carton direction 180 degrees. Here's a closer look at pusher and line stop operation with guards removed. Notice the heavy-duty shafts and guide railing. Surge control devices are used at strategic locations throughout the product handling system. A freestanding PSA-built turn carton reject system serves as a metering conveyor controlling product flow to the wrapper. If cartons back up, the system holds back flow. If a carton is turned sideways, it's discharged, preventing a jam. A similar system is used as a metering device to control surge pressure to the infeed of a cartoner. This factory's product handling system incorporates numerous powered transfer devices. This one is from a cartoner to a tabletop conveyor. Here's one for a conveyor to conveyor transfer. This one is used for belt to conveyor transfer. This PSA system is for use with a metal detector. Its heavy-duty construction features aluminum side plates and a retractable nose conveyor. When metal is detected, the conveyor retracts, and only the contaminated package is discharged into a bin below. Due to the quantity of metal in the wristwatch used for this demonstration, multiple rejects are seen. The system can also be designed with a blow-off or cross-sweep pusher to reject product. The system is provided with on-off switches and a key switch to reset the detector. These are just some of the many product handling systems that can make your factory more efficient. Whether you need a special machine or an entire system, you can depend on the innovators at Packaging Systems Automation, your partner in packaging.